Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade chocolate easy method. Start by melting chocolate and combining cocoa, sugar, and butter in a heatproof bowl over simmering water. Stir gently until smooth, then strain to remove lumps and cool slightly. Pour into molds or a lined tray and chill until set. I will explain texture adjustments, flavor additions, and easy storage tips so you can enjoy homemade chocolate anytime. Warm chocolate slowly and keep water out of the bowl to avoid seizing. Use gentle, consistent stirring to create a silky, even texture. When adding sugar or cocoa powder, sprinkle slowly and whisk thoroughly to avoid clumps. If the mix thickens, add a small amount of cocoa butter or neutral oil to loosen it. Taste and adjust sweetness before molding, because final set will lock in flavor. Tempering is optional, but gives a shiny finish and snap that feels professional. Cool melted chocolate until it thickens, then rewarm slightly to working temperature while testing for sheen. Pour into molds slowly, tap to remove air bubbles, and add inclusions like nuts or sea salt before it sets. Let chocolates firm at room temperature for a few minutes, then chill briefly to complete crystallization for a perfect bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.